rescue aircraft into the air. We've got the Lockheed 12A down at the right-hand end of the airfield, which is ready to get airborne. That will be off first.